Jotron hambai je current affair ni topic ang sekango rika abo ni government scheme and welfare project obono tui jemon oro je topic obro nini short question ba nini phainai obo patangya anbra economic policy FDI science inflation trade fiscal health in this end MSME related obo bini kobo tola at the policy sense of 2026 obono tuyoi sungano inflation trade 2026 obono tuyoi arpore fiscal health in this end obo no arpore MSME related scheme obo tabuk ini multitasking tongo ba tabuk je busakango exam nini 22 তারিখ ni exam ba nini exercise ni ba nini tabuk mas combine mismani ya suppose prelim এবং main tagbo sakong je exam tongmani obonoti rinai obo bat thangya budget abon pore nini budget highlight taxation update ikoborok engkai unfair law governance nini major amendment bill pass criminal justice reform obo tabuk je mani abonati bo iko nini engkai erpre major bill pass amendment early 2026 so obonong tibo nini finance bill di nini industry relationship code obrok nini engkai naidi obono tuina nani question ফাইনাই ইংকেসে অনেকজন সাইমিয়াং থানায় কারণ এফিয়ার নি গভর্নেন্স রেগুলেটরস এন্ড সব 2026 অবর লেবার কোড fully roll out of environment nini protection fund rule 2026 অবর এরপর ন্যাশনাল স্পোর্ট nini governance rule অবইক January 12 2026 to increase transparency and accountability in sport board overall criminal justice system advancement overall meaning Basel code e-filing overall fast track special court overall engkai important appointment and award abone bisingo nini tamatam mangkha of mid February 2026 ni ekdam recently abo important appointment sab khaite January to February sebiwa nini sab khaite nini full time member Sandeep Pradhan as a full time member sebi abo ni bisingno nono check khainai Padma award to ang alatona khaipege lais nini busuk jon mangkha busuk abang alatona khaikia details kai airpro global recognition ni 2026 abo ni bisingo nini global summit agreement abo naidi oron bisingo nini nai global summit 2026 G20 summit South Africa rock airpre COP 31 November Indian Energy Weekly IEW 26 plus obo naidi Indian role and care outcome obo current affair ni ekdam mus mane jasai khaijak tabon bising no ribo digital public stock DPI rock airpre climate action of emergency obo ekan agreement initiative rock Awakai nini trade agreement national international agriculture ni global impact talents IC trade overall bilateral relationship of Indian it with major country overall by international current affair black important about bilateral relation and major partner apo skip mane khai bathak ri obo naidi bethak riboi protekta naiti video skip ba bethak riboi engkai abon bisingno nini Russia, China, France তারপর নেদারল্যান্ড abo nini ke treaty agreement recently historical overall research period nari abo border diplomat abo ke foreign policy doctrine abo বিশেষ করে নাটবকুল ফার্স্ট বিশেষ সাগা ইনিশিয়েটিভ abo তারপর বাজেট ইকোনমিক indicator GDP growth inflation unemployment report abo in economic survey 2025-26 ni abo Indian economic 2026 budget 2026 baniti GDP growth mani ro abono nin chakhainai GDP growth 7.4 ko below GDP 5 year 2026 projection abo tamong ga nini 6.8 to 7.2% abo growth driver air inflation hingga nini 1.7 বিশেষ করিয়া nini abo exercise ni current affair job related ba nini abo যে কোনো competitive ni যে recently global economic indicator 2026 global GDP growth money 2026 moderate around 3.2%. Inflation trade economic in international international globalization international current affair abo international trade agreement FTA update abo ঠিক আছে major 2026 trade development abo because abo international current affair abo India SEPA Indian GCC FTA abo agreement of kai inka aparata abo as samoy mani airport global trade policy context 2026 abo kai airport upcoming negation Indian CEPA abo Indian Eurasian economic abo inka abonot ini khainai ora je part abo porikidi inka question oma hekeno khayo current affair ni national international current affair inka next hote isa khayana current affair abo black video log hanga onekjon selai thango inka abo nai paidi inka black helpful ongnai ঠিক আছে Salman Thaka abo important next current affair abo national international current affair next songnai nai the award ojoro oro je topic ni next topic nai ঠিক আছে হামবাই next class malai